Smoking actually increases mental health difficulties. That is by it increases anxiety, it worsens your mood, and while you think it's helpful to you with your stress, it's actually making things worse. It also affects your physical health, and that, of course, then affects your mental health as well. We do know that people with mental health difficulties are far more likely to smoke, find it perhaps a bit harder to get off the cigarettes than not. It can actually affect the medication you take for these drugs and make them not work quite as well for you. I would advise you absolutely to quit smoking. There's an awful lot of benefits to you. You will be physically and mentally better. You will be more calm, you will improve your anxiety, you will improve your depression. You'll have more money because you won't have to be paying for the cigarettes. And all in all, you'll have a great sense of achievement and optimism. Stopping smoking will improve your physical health. And even if you have some long-term damage related to smoking, it's never too late to get and show improvement in that physical health. And it's never too late to stop with mental health difficulties as well. You will be much calmer and you'll feel much happier. Some people with mental health problems, significantly anxiety, if you actually reduce and stop the smoking, your anxiety will certainly improve. The first thing I would say is be optimistic that you can do it, and don't say I can do it and put it off for tomorrow. Try and start now. Find your local stop smoking service and they will bring you through the options. And there are multiple options, from nicotine replacement therapy to e-cigarettes and how you might reduce using e-cigarettes, and a lot of advice and support, which is really important for you. Continue to be optimistic, and even if you start back on the smoking, try and think, what caused the relapse and how can I change that? Because sometimes people have to stop and start a few times to realize what goes wrong for them. And so continue to be optimistic, because one day you will certainly do it. One of the options is the e-cigarettes. It has helped thousands of people to stop smoking. Initially maybe reduce and then stop, because it doesn't contain tar. So it's so much safer than smoking tobacco. If you're also taking the nicotine replacement, it's important that you get enough the nicotine to make sure you don't have as much craving, but also to make sure you don't return to smoking.